So explain what you're doing.
So that's spindle at 2250.
2250. That's max 4,500. Okay.
And then we'll go ahead get the support rotating.
Okay.
Making sure the horn skimmer does the work.
And you're going to drag the tailstock.
Yeah, we'll drag the side. So horn skimmer there.
Okay. You can do the tool probe.
That's manual.
Okay.
So that's got the button here.
Oh, okay.
It's there.
And you use it a lot?
Yep, I still use it.
Okay.
So we can get the tailstock here in a sec. Yeah, make sure it's on.
And you said that tailstock, that drag design is good for short run stuff?
Yeah.
So you got to connect it manually?
Yep. And then it'll tilt forward. So we want it right there. Disconnect. Lock it in place.
Okay. Wow. So what else can we show? Or we pretty much showed everything. Oh, right, okay. Showing the, okay, do that again. Okay. And that pedals for the collet. What size are your collets? What size collets does it take?
That's going to be,
Right, I know, but I just kind of wonder what size they
that's
take.
5C, we've got a 3J, we've got a 3J, we've got a chuck up for it.
Okay, what size is your chuck?
This is an 8-inch chuck, I believe.
Does the 8-inch chuck come with it?
No.
No? So no chuck, no collets,
No
just the machine? Okay.